welcome to Eva's speaking test. So let's move to part 1. So could you introduce yourself?
My name is Fred.
Your name is Fred. How do you spell your name?
F
R
E
E.
D.
Okay, good. So what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is hamburger.
Hamburger. So what is the first step to make your favorite food?
First, chop a bread.
Okay. Okay, where is your school bag made?
My school is made in USA.
So your shoes are made in Italy, aren't they? Wow, good. So let's find the differences between two pictures here. Please.
In picture A, her boy is playing a violin. In the picture B, the boy is playing a drum.
Okay.
But in picture A, behind the tree is the museum. But in picture B, is the hospital.
Okay. What else?
In picture A, the two women is stand up. But in the picture B, the two women is sit down.
Okay, so let's move to part 2. So I'm gonna ask you a question, and then you answer it, and then you gonna ask me a question.
Yeah.
Okay. What is Daniel's favorite food?
Daniel's favorite food is spaghetti.
When does he eat it?
In the afternoon.
Where it is made?
The spaghetti is made in Italy.
So what are the ingredients does it have?
Is noodle, beef, tomato, and sauce.
Okay. How many steps?
6 steps.
Okay. So you're gonna ask me a question.
What is Daniel's favorite food?
Okay. Okay. Jenny's favorite food is hamburger. Jenny is not Daniel. It's Jenny.
Jenny.
When does she
eat
it?
When does she eat it?
She eats it in the morning.
Where is hamburger made?
Hamburger is made in USA.
What's ingredient?
The ingredients are bread, beef, and cheese.
How many steps?
There are 5 steps. Okay, let's move to part 3, independent talk. So let's talk about your favorite food and how to make it.
My favorite food is made in the
How to make it. For example, like You got the buns and you cut it in half.
Is by.
Okay. How to make the hamburger?
No.
You don't know how to make the hamburger? Okay. That's all for the speaking test today. Say goodbye to our audience.